Hi, I'm Dr. Elyne Kahn, a brain and spine surgeon with Trinity Health Michigan and Trinity Health IHA Medical Group. I believe that each patient is unique and deserves a thoughtful, customized treatment approach. There is no one-size-fits-all approach for spine surgery. I enjoy working with patients to understand their condition and help them determine whether surgery is the right option. If surgery is recommended, it is my goal to provide the least invasive approach with the greatest amount of benefit to the patient. My clinical interests include all conditions that affect the spine, including pinched nerves in the neck and back, degenerative arthritis of the spine, scoliosis and spinal deformities, and failed back syndrome after previous spinal surgery. I also treat patients with brain tumors and other conditions of the brain requiring surgery. I became a neurosurgeon because I love working with my hands and I was drawn to the challenge of treating complex conditions of the brain and spine. My work is very satisfying, and the best part is I get to see patients get better and return to the activities that they enjoy. When I meet a patient, I listen and want to fully understand their symptoms and goals. I provide thorough education to ensure my patients have a good understanding of their treatment options and expected outcomes. At Trinity Health Michigan, you will receive excellent and compassionate care from dedicated surgeons and staff. I look forward to caring for you.